Hey guys, so now I'm outside my hotel and now I'm leaving for the Tiger's Nest trek. I slept a little, so it's already late. It's way past 10, but I think it's going to be fun. So I'll see you at the base camp. So it is the day 4 of our trip and we are visiting Taksang Gompa or the Tiger's Nest in Paro, which is a sacred Buddhist temple located in the cliffside of the Upper Paro Valley in Bhutan. It was established as a meditation cave in the 8th century and then formally built as a monastery in 1692. At the base camp, and that's where I'm going to buy the ticket from, and that's Kensho there. He's he's been here with us throughout this trip, so I'm going to get my ticket now and let's start this trek. I've got my ticket here and we'll be leaving for the trek now. There are sticks available there which will help you, but मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे अभी उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं. बट मैं थोड़ा सा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, बट देखते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट वर्क्स आउट. सो अब मैं थोड़े ट्रैक के क्लिप्स आपको दिखाता हूँ जाते हुए कैसा लगता है. सो लेट्स गो अगेन. We met few people here who seem to be locals and they are showing us a shorter way which is way more steep and we are just following them. I hope we reach a little early via this route. आई थिंक हम लोग बहुत हाफ वे आ चुके हैं और ये शॉर्ट रूट अच्छा है लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट जान चली जाती है क्योंकि दिल्ली में इस तरीके की चीज़ें करने की आदत है नहीं. हार्डली चलते हैं एंड सडनली जब इतना बड़ा ट्रैक करना होता है तो हालत तो ख़राब होती है. तो रेगुलर रूट कुछ ऐसे है और जो शॉर्टर वाला रूट है वो ऐसे है. तो हमें लगा था कि हम जल्दी तो पहुंच जाएंगे but it's not easy. But the view from here, that's fun. And it's just I think 36 minutes more, so we'll reach there. लेकिन बीच में I think अभी थोड़ा सा रेस्ट ले लेता हूँ.
tree.
Bye
I'm
bye.
just sitting here. I got time.
See you.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
सो गाइस ये असली व्यू पॉइंट है. इसके पहले वाला भी एक व्यू पॉइंट था बट वहाँ से इतना अच्छा व्यू नहीं था मोनेस्ट्री का. सो दैट्स द मोनेस्ट्री बिहाइंड मी. एंड यहाँ से अगर मैं थोड़ा सा और रेलिंग पास जाता हूँ तो आप लोगों को दिखा सकता हूँ कि ये व्यू बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ से. एंड पूरा का पूरा सिटी दिखता है एंड माउंटेन्स, और ये दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत सुंदर है. सो आई एम ऑलमोस्ट देयर. सो आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू गो इन. देयर आर स्टिल सम स्टेप्स लेफ्ट आई गेस. तो एक बार जब वो स्टेप्स पूरे हो जाएंगे आई विल रीच द मॉनेस्ट्री.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So the visit to the Tiger's Nest was worth it, and I've seen everything, but it's just that cameras are not allowed inside. But it was wonderful being there, and the view from the Tiger's Nest is again very beautiful. I think this is something that everyone should try. Alright guys, so this is the end of my visit to the Tiger's Nest, and that's the Tiger's Nest behind me. It's really very cold out here, so if you guys are planning to come here, do carry some woolen clothes, and a scarf and a gloves is something that's a must. I would say that, and do have some water and a little bit of snacks with you, because you might get a little hungry, because the climb is really very hard. But trust me, when you reach here you would find it worthwhile. And now tomorrow I'll be visiting other places in Paro. So goodbye for now, because I'm going to take a really nice sleep as soon as I head back to my hotel. So bye bye for today.
In the great outdoors, forever